steam engine's gruff. It was autumn on Sodor, the time of year when all the trees begin to lose their old leaves. Thomas was working on his branch line with Annie and Clarabel. So were Toby and Henrietta.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, Toby.
Don't the trees look spooky without any leaves?
Oh, Toby, why do you think so many things are spooky?
But they are. Sometimes they look like big hands reaching over the tracks to grab you and pick you up like a toy train.
You do have a big imagination, Toby. They're only trees.
Oh.
A little further along the line, Thomas noticed that one of Farmer McCall's fences was broken.
Oh, dear.
Be careful, Thomas. There could be a runaway animal on the track.
Thomas didn't see any animals on the tracks, but he did see Trevor, the traction engine, working in a field.
Oh, hello, Thomas. Hello, Trevor. There's a broken fence by the track back there.
Oh, is there? I'll tell Farmer McCall. He'll want to get that repaired before an animal escapes.
That night in the shed, Thomas told Percy about the broken fence.
Oh, that sounds very spooky. Don't you start. I've already had Toby talking to me about the spooky trees.
But think about it, Thomas. Who broke that fence? Or what broke that fence? It could have been anything.
It was probably just an animal. Go to sleep, Percy.
I quite agree. Go to sleep.
But I can't go to sleep. It's my job to pull the mail train.
Poor Percy had frightened himself. But the other engines didn't really think there was anything to be frightened of.
Hello? Is someone there? Whoa!
What is the matter with you, Percy? Racing in and bashing into Henry in the middle of the night?
Sorry, but I heard something very spooky out on Thomas's branch line.
Oh, I've had quite enough of this spookiness. Just deliver the mail and let the rest of us go back to sleep.
The next morning, it was bright and sunny.
And then, as I crossed over the little bridge by the watermill, I heard this strange moaning sound. Ooh! It was like nothing I've ever heard before, Thomas. It was very, very spooky.
Well, it's daytime now, and the sun is shining, and I'm sure whatever it was will be long gone away.
I hope so. I have to go over that bridge to take the workers to the quarry.
I have to go over that bridge today, too.
So do I. We all have to go over that bridge. But I'm quite sure there's nothing to worry about.
Thomas wasn't worried at all as he travelled up the branch line with Annie and Clarabel.
Hello, Thomas.
But then he came to the bridge by the watermill.
What's the matter, Thomas? Why are we slowing down? Is there an animal on the line?
No, it's just... Well, Percy says he heard something spooky last night as he went over this bridge. But I'm sure there's nothing to...
Did you hear it, Thomas?
Do you mean that terrible moaning and groaning? Under the bridge?
It must be a troll.
A troll?
Trolls live under bridges. Don't you remember the three billy goats, Gruff?
Percy's right. It was a mean, hungry troll that lived under the bridge. The three billy goats were all scared to cross over. They made the little one go first, and he survived by telling the troll to eat his bigger brother. I'm going first!
I'm going second.
Calm down, Toby. What are you racing for?
Go on, Toby.
We can't wait here forever.
I don't hear anything now.
Maybe the troll's gone away again. Oh, there's probably nothing to worry about. I mean, whatever it was is probably... Oh!
Don't eat me! Don't eat me! Don't eat me!
He's still here. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. The third one has to be brave, Thomas. The third one has to make the troll go away.
What are you talking about, Percy?
In the story, the third goat is the one who makes the troll go away. And you're the third. Oh, Thomas! He's very hungry now.
You know, Maribel, that doesn't sound like a troll to me.
I do believe you're right, Annie. It sounds more like a cow.
A cow?
A cow?
One of Farmer McCall's cows had broken the fence and wandered down into the river, where it got stuck in the mud. Jem Cole brought Trevor the traction engine to help and set up a winch to lift the stranded cow back up again. And Thomas carried the poor frightened animal back to the farm. That night in the sheds, Thomas, Percy and Toby told the other engines about their big adventure.
A cow? You were all frightened of a cow?
It's not that funny.
You can laugh, James, but Farmer McCall said he was very glad that we found it.
Imagine thinking a cow was a troll.
It's not funny. It was really scary.
Well, it's a little amusing.